Hey everyone, welcome back to another Thunderbird video. Today we had a customer send us both the front electronic module and the rear electronic module. Here's his issues. Dash lights and shifter lights inoperable, and then the passenger door lock actuator will not work with switches or remote, only manually. So currently his REM is right here and ours is installed. So let's just confirm that it works with ours, and then we'll go ahead and plug this one in. So in this video I'm going to show you the location of this and kind of how to get to it and pull it out. Alright, first thing you want to do is pull on this and pull the seat over. See if I can. Okay, I'm gonna get this seat belt out of the way. Okay, already for the most part removed this lining. Kind of clipped it back on one. Just kind of goes over these little pins. And then this lining right here. Peel it back. And there's the rear electronic module. I still haven't pulled mine out, so it's fully intact. Just gonna get rid of this. Okay, there it is. Looks like T30 bolts. I'm not going to remove the bolts. I'm just going to go ahead and unplug the module and plug the customer's module in. Okay, let's go ahead and lock it and unlock it. So customer's complaint is confirmed. We'll go ahead and get that repaired, plug it back in, and make sure it's all working. Almost forgot to test the gauge cluster. Okay, let's turn on the headlights. So you can see the headlights are on. And there's no headlight illumination. You could really see typically on this area, but nothing. So definitely an issue within the front electronic module not sending that signal. Alright, I got both modules reinstalled. The front electronic module. I typically don't plug that one in because that is for the power steering solenoid, so we're not going to be starting it. As you can see, there's the cluster illumination. Passenger door lock is working with their module. If you have any of these issues, let us know. We'll get them fixed for you.